Alright, and here is the exoarmor stand that I made. I was inspired by a Fallout power armor stand, or station, whatever you want to call it. It's for all three of these, but all three of these cannot fit on here. You can just have one at a time. And speaking of one at a time, let's just look at the one that's on here. Basically, there's chains to hold it up, arms to hold it up, and they're adjustable as well. Well, this one is adjustable at 3 spots, so up here, down here, and down here. And, well, the left one, and here's the right one. It's adjustable in 3 spots again, but down at the base, down at the middle joint, and that's it. And alright, let's just, you might be wondering what these are. Well, those are just, mid-support struts. So, and, also, handlebars, handlebars and maybe, steps as well, or if you want to get up here to the top of it. And either the traveler or the bystander doing some maintenance work or repair work on the right leg of the suit, they can just take it off and drape it on there. Yep. And that's it. Don't worry, alright, before I end this, don't worry, I'll, upload a few, small videos with each suit of armor in here. Now, that's the end of the video.